Hi guys, my name is jhatch, sales and lease consultant at Whitby Mazda. If you've watched any of my last few videos, you know that I'm at home during this whole COVID-19 coronavirus situation. Again, I'm very lucky. I do not have the virus, and my heart goes out to those who are dealing with health issues concerned with that or family members. Guys, while I'm home, I'm not going to let that stop me from providing you guys with excellent service, and part of that is me creating videos to help you love your Mazda even more. This one is based on the digital temperature controls that you've got if you are in a Mazda CX-5 GS with a comfort package, a GT, or a signature. Specifically, I want to talk about this little fella right here, because you deserve excellent service. Okay guys, so again, like I said, I'm in a 2020 Mazda CX-5. It's my demo, it's a GT. If you are in a GS with a comfort package, then, or a GT or signature, then your setup for the temperature controls would look like this. If you are in a GX or a GS without the comfort package, then it's going to be the 3 round knobs in the middle, and then it would look like this versus what I've got, which looks like this. Either way, the rear defrost button, that is right here. If you've got the 3 knobs, then you've got it on the far right, and you just simply push that in, and that's going to light up. That's your rear defrost. So what I wanted to show you with this is that when you've got that on, it's not just defogging your rear windshield. Also, what that's going to do is if you've got the front wiper de-icer, which is an orange strip that basically goes along outside, you can't see it here, but on the outside of the windshield and then up the driver's side, what that's going to do is it's going to warm that up so that it's going to melt snow and ice off of your front windshield wipers to save them from getting wrecked with snow and ice. So turning this on will also activate your front wiper de-icer. Not only that, but it's also going to activate heated side mirrors as well. So your exterior heated side mirrors will warm up, and that will get the snow and ice off of them. Also, it's great for defogging that as well. And if you've got rain on your windshield or mirrors, whatever, it's a great way to get that off too. So there you go. There's a couple extra features that maybe you didn't know that you can do with the rear defogger. When you turn it on, it's going to stay on for about 15 minutes and then turn off automatically. And also, I'll point out, if you've got a Mazda remote starter installed in your Mazda, then there is a way with your remote start that you can also turn on the rear defrost as well, just by using your fob. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget, my name is jhatch, and you deserve fantastic service. Guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you're car shopping, again, during the whole COVID-19 corona situation, please avoid going into dealerships and showrooms unless you absolutely have to buy a car because you're an emergency services worker and your car is dead and you got to get to work to help people. Otherwise, do your shopping online. Also, you can use me as a resource. I'm happy to help you out. You can call me or text me at 905-391-1637. You can email me, jhatch@whitbymazda.com. You can also hit me up on my social media. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, I've got my YouTube channel at jhatchmazda, #jhatchmazda. And if you want to get to know who I am before you meet me, you can check out my website, jhatchmazda.com, and see if I'm the kind of salesperson that you want to work with when this whole mess has kind of settled and you're ready to get back in and do a test drive with me at Whitby Mazda. I'm happy to help you out with that. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Stay home, stay safe, wash your hands, and don't forget your goals. Stick to them, guys. We'll get through this, and I'll see you in the next video.